To fix the issue of unusual activity with the card linked to your PayPal account, follow these steps. First, understand that PayPal has a system in place to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions. And when unusual activity is detected, your account may be limited until the issue is resolved. Step 1 is to log in to your PayPal account and review the message that was sent to you. This message will provide details about the unusual activity that was detected and the steps you need to take to resolve the issue. Step 2 is to confirm your identity with PayPal. You may be asked to provide identification documents such as a driver's license or passport. And you may also be asked to confirm your credit or debit card information. Step 3 is to review your recent transactions and report any that you do not recognize. If you see any suspicious transactions, be sure to report them to PayPal immediately. Step 4 is to update your security settings. Make sure your password is strong and unique, and consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Step 5 is to monitor your account activity regularly. Keep an eye on your transactions and report any suspicious activity to PayPal right away. By following these steps, you can help to resolve the issue of unusual activity with the card linked to your PayPal account and prevent future issues. Remember to always keep your account information up to date and your security settings strong too. Protect yourself from fraudulent activity. It is also important to note that PayPal has a dedicated team that works to prevent and detect fraudulent activity, and they are available to help you if you have any questions or concerns. In conclusion, fixing the issue of unusual activity with the card linked to your PayPal account requires you to confirm your identity, review your transactions, update your security settings, and monitor your account activity regularly. By following these steps and working with PayPal, you can help to keep your account safe and secure.